First and foremost, I have to say congratulations to City. I said it a couple of times, but I don't want that any broadcaster miss that, because that's important. They played an incredible season. We did as well, but you won it, and that's congratulations to Pep and all the people from Manchester City. Our season was good as well. It was a really good season, unbelievable season. I can read all the stats, I can read all the numbers. It's just really exceptional. Only because City is there, it's not enough. In each other country, it would have been easily enough. But here, that's how it is. No problem with that. That's the competition we are in. It's not a competition of 30 years ago, of 20 years ago, of 10 years ago. That's completely different. And these boys were really ready for it. And they have my maximum respect. This club is in the best moment for a long, long time, and it will not end because there's one team at a point more. We will keep going. That's how it is, and we will see what we get for that. This team is one of the best ever played for Liverpool, 100%. But we play in the league with other very good teams. That's what we have to accept. What we do accept, no problem. And we will go again, 100%. But give me at least a few hours to come over that today.